Hello, food lovers. Are you ready to embark on a delicious adventure? Cooking is like magic, transforming simple ingredients into mouth-watering meals. It's a journey that tantalizes your taste buds and brings joy to your table. Forget about takeout menus and frozen dinners. It's time to put on your apron and discover the wonders of cooking. Trust me, anyone can learn to cook, no matter your skill level. With a sprinkle of passion and a dash of creativity, you'll be whipping up culinary masterpieces in no time. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with the incredible flavors you create. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets of the kitchen together. Every aspiring chef needs a trusty set of tools to conquer the culinary world. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy kitchen to get started. Just a few basic tools will do the trick. First on the list is a good knife. A sharp chef's knife is your best friend in the kitchen, making chopping, slicing, and dicing a breeze. Next up, a sturdy cutting board is essential for protecting your countertops and providing a safe surface for all your chopping needs. A set of mixing bowls in various sizes is a must-have for combining ingredients. Look for bowls with a good grip to prevent any culinary mishaps. And of course, no kitchen is complete without a set of measuring cups and spoons for accurate measuring. These basic tools will set you up for success in the kitchen. Remember, quality over quantity is key when it comes to kitchen tools. Invest in a few durable items that will last you for years to come. Now that you have your tools ready, let's talk about stocking your pantry with essential ingredients. These are the building blocks of countless delicious meals. Start with the basics: olive oil, salt, and pepper. These three ingredients are the foundation of countless recipes. Next, stock up on pantry staples like pasta, rice, canned tomatoes, and beans. These versatile ingredients can be used in a variety of dishes. Don't forget about herbs and spices. They add depth and complexity to your cooking. Some must-haves include oregano, basil, thyme, garlic powder, and onion powder. Finally, keep your refrigerator stocked with fresh produce, eggs, milk, and cheese. These ingredients will add freshness and flavor to your meals. Ready to put your skills to the test? Let's start with a couple of simple recipes that are perfect for beginners. Recipe 1. Spaghetti aglio e olio. This classic Italian dish is made with just a few simple ingredients and is bursting with flavor. Ingredients: half a pound of spaghetti, a quarter cup of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic minced, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a quarter cup of chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions 1. Cook the spaghetti according to package directions. 1. While the spaghetti is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. 1. Add the garlic and red pepper flakes and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. 1. Drain the spaghetti and add it to the skillet with the garlic and oil. 5. Toss to combine. 1. Stir in the parsley, salt and pepper. 7. Serve immediately. Recipe 2. Tomato and basil bruschetta. This refreshing appetizer is perfect for a light lunch or snack. Ingredients: asterisk, 1 baguette sliced, a quarter cup of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic halved, 1 pint of cherry tomatoes halved, a quarter cup of chopped fresh basil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 1. Brush the baguette slices with olive oil and rub with the cut side of the garlic clove. 1. Arrange the slices on a baking sheet and bake for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. 1. In a medium bowl, combine the tomatoes, basil, salt and pepper. 1. Top the toasted baguette slices with the tomato mixture. 6. Serve immediately. My love affair with food began at a young age. Growing up in a large Italian family, food was always at the heart of every gathering. From my grandmother's secret pasta sauce recipe to my mother's legendary lasagna, I was surrounded by the aromas and flavors of Italy. I remember spending countless hours in the kitchen with my nonna, watching in awe as she transformed simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. She taught me the importance of using fresh, high-quality ingredients and the power of a pinch of this and a dash of that. One of my fondest childhood memories is helping my nonna make gnocchi every Sunday. We would gather in the kitchen, our hands covered in flour, laughing and chatting as we rolled out the dough. The aroma of freshly cooked gnocchi filled the air, creating a sense of warmth and togetherness. Those early experiences in the kitchen ignited a passion within me that has only grown stronger over the years. I believe that cooking is more than just following a recipe. It's about creating something special, something that nourishes both the body and the soul. Section 6. Embrace the joy of cooking. Tips for beginners. Starting your culinary journey can feel a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. Here are a few tips to help you embrace the joy of cooking. Start simple. Begin with easy recipes that have few ingredients and straightforward instructions. As you gain confidence, you can gradually tackle more challenging dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment. Cooking is all about trying new things. Don't be afraid to substitute ingredients, adjust seasonings, or add your own personal touch to recipes. Taste as you go. One of the most important things you can do when cooking is to taste your food as you go. This will help you adjust the seasonings and ensure that the flavors are well balanced. Have fun. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience. Put on some music, pour yourself a glass of wine, and relax. Remember, mistakes happen to everyone, even experienced chefs. The most important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep experimenting. Section 7. Cooking for one, cooking for all, adapting recipes to your needs. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a crowd, it's easy to adapt recipes to suit your needs. Cooking for one? Simply halve the ingredients or make the full recipe and enjoy leftovers for lunch the next day. Feeding a crowd? Double or triple the recipe as needed. Remember, most recipes are just a guideline. Feel free to adjust the quantities to fit your household size and preferences. Section 8. Beyond the recipe, experiment and have fun. Once you've mastered the basics, don't be afraid to let your creativity run wild in the kitchen. Experiment with different flavor combinations, try new ingredients, and don't be afraid to put your own spin on classic dishes. Remember, cooking is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, have fun, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. After all, that's how we learn and grow. Section 9. Buon Appetito. You can do it! Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a more confident cook. Remember, cooking is a skill that is developed over time with practice and patience. Don't be afraid to get in the kitchen and start experimenting. With a little effort and a lot of love, you'll be amazed at the delicious meals you can create. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. Buon appetito!